Welcome back to the AI Stack. In this episode, we are going to explain one of the most important AI concepts for beginners, the prompt. A prompt is simply what you ask or tell AI, but the way you write that instruction can completely change the answer you get back. By the end of this video, you will know how to write prompts that are clearer, safer, and much more useful. A prompt is the instruction you give to an AI tool like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. It can be a question, a task, a command, or a set of instructions. When you type, "Write me an email," that is a prompt. When you type, "Summarize this article in 5 bullets," that is also a prompt. The model uses your prompt to decide what kind of answer to generate. Think of AI like a very skilled taxi driver. The driver may know every road, but if you just say drive, they do not know where to go. That is what a vague prompt does. But if you say, "Take me to the airport, use the fastest route, and avoid tolls," now the driver has direction. A prompt is your destination. The clearer it is, the better the ride. Here is the difference. A bad prompt says, "Help me write an email." That gives AI almost no direction. A better prompt gives it a role, a task, and a format. You are a professional email writer. Write a friendly follow up to a client who has not replied. Keep it under 3 sentences. Same AI tool, completely different result. The easiest beginner formula is role, task, format. Role tells AI who to act as, task tells AI what to do, format tells AI how the answer should look. For example, you are a career coach. Rewrite my resume summary, format it as 3 strong bullet points. That structure removes confusion and gives the model a clear target. Role, task, and format are the foundation, but context makes prompts even stronger. You can tell AI who the audience is, what goal you have, what tone you want, what to avoid, or even show an example. For example, "Write this for beginners" will produce a very different answer than "Write this for senior engineers." Context helps AI aim more accurately. For the live demo, open ChatGPT or Claude and try both prompts. First ask, "Write a LinkedIn bio." The answer will probably be generic. Then try the stronger version. "You are a personal branding coach. Write a warm, professional 2 sentence LinkedIn bio for someone learning AI automation." You will immediately see how much the prompt changes the output. Here are 4 reusable prompt starters. For writing, say, "You are a writing coach." For research, say, "You are a research assistant." For learning, say, "You are a patient tutor." For business, say, "You are a strategy consultant." Then add your task and the format you want. This turns a blank prompt into a useful instruction. A better prompt is powerful, but you still need to use AI safely. Do not paste passwords, private financial information, medical records, client secrets, or confidential company files unless you are using approved tools and settings. Also remember, a confident AI answer is not always a correct answer. For important decisions, verify the result with trusted sources. Here is the cheat sheet. A prompt is your instruction to AI. Vague input usually creates vague output. Use role, task, and format to get clearer answers. Add context when the task needs more detail. And always verify important answers. If you learn this one skill, every AI tool you use becomes more useful. Follow the AI stack for one AI concept at a time in plain English.